makeup for the first time in a long time in the dark. You know, the dark. And I know makeup for the first time in a long time, so I decided I'm gonna do it and I'm gonna suffer the consequences. My skin has been hating me like crazy lately, and I need it. I need it. I'm gonna put on some moisturizer and suffer the consequences. I don't even remember how old this is, but I don't think it's more than a year old. Because I've only been here for how long? It's good for 24 months. So it should definitely be good. I know the last time I wore this, I don't know. My freaking cheeks get red and yucky. Shit. That's what I'm saying. I want to feel alive again. So I'm going to do some makeup and I'll probably turn the light on. Oh my god, I can't speak lately. I'm going to turn the light on. And I should have used that primer. Yeah, turn the light on. That was from, who do you call it again? Estee Lauder? Estee Lauder. I shouldn't be putting this on my fingers. If this is eczema, it's probably going to make it bad. Oh well, because guess what? I'm going to have a glass or two of wine tonight. Going to Hibachi with my sister and her friends. It's ladies' night. Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Youth Power Cream, and my face over here is burning. But you know what? I'm going to give myself a beating. I work from home anyway. No one really sees me except for, like, on occasion. On occasion. And no, I can't use this anymore. It's old. This is also 2 years. We're going to go with it. We're going to use this also from Estee Lauder. It's a sample. I'll probably throw it away after this. I was going to use the cookie one from e.l.f., but we'll go with this. Estee Lauder Futurist Aqua Brilliance Watery Glow Primer. Yeah, I know the wine's going to probably make my skin mad too. But I don't drink much anymore. I haven't drank anything since New Year's Eve. So, and what's today? February 3rd. I was telling Daniel last night, I'm like, I understand not drinking if you're pregnant. But for medical reasons. But yeah, so whatever. So yeah, gotta make this not too long. All right, so I gotta go in my office to grab a beauty blender, maybe a couple brushes. We'll see. I don't know if I'm gonna do my makeup. My finger is starting to get mad at me. It's like, what are you doing to me? All the things I shouldn't, apparently. I just grabbed some brushes, too, and a beauty blender, which I need to wet. And I'm going to put on a foundation that's possibly too light for my skin, but that's okay. Because we're going to make it. We're going to do it somehow. One sec. I got to moisten my blender. This is from Beauty Blend. No, it's not. Beauty Bakery. That's the one. Beauty Bakery. And it comes in the egg crate. It's half a dozen eggs. And I got the black ones for a change. I usually get the regular pink and blue ones, but I got the black ones for a change. I got a few boxes because if I'm going to order them online, I might as well make it worth it and get that free shipping, which I'm pretty sure I got. So I'll be right back with some foundation and my wet sponge. So this is about, how old is this? Oh, this is only good for 6 months. And it looks it. I might not go with the foundation because of that. What a waste. Throwing it away. I just realized all my foundations were only good for 6 months. I'm pretty sure I've had them for longer than 6 months. Work it. Put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. I don't know if I could trust this. What about this? Can't trust this either. Bye, Elf. It smells like shit. I'm not using it. Alright, so we're not using that. I guess I'm not wearing any makeup today. What can I do? On the bright side, we got Laura Mercier, which I think is good. Come on, Laura. I'm pretty sure Laura's good. We're gonna powder her, and I'll suffer the consequences later. What's that? I got boy brows. We'll use that. I got a new boy brows. I'll probably use it. I don't usually powder like this, but I have it, so I'm gonna use it. I really wanted to wear makeup tonight. It's been so long since I've worn makeup. And I got this funky situation on my face. And I'm not sure if it's from a condition or from the steroid cream, so. Huh. I don't know. And if it gets worse, there's always medicine. From Influencer. Beauty Blender. Bronzer in that shade that I thought was too dark for me, but we're going to use it tonight. Somehow. I'm going to chisel myself. Yeah, it's really dark. Brushes for this kind of stuff. It's a creamy bronzer-ish something. That was a lot on here. I have the funniest songs in my head. Anything can happen. I think that song's so funny. You know, it's weird. Anything can happen. Not A, B, C, D. It's E. I mean, it's fine when you blend it. We're gonna have that chiseled look tonight. That weird contour chiseled look. Which I don't really need. Okay. Then I'm going to use some blush because I know my blushes are good because I just opened up one. I have NARS Orgasm. That was about to break. Oh, it's pretty much brand new. It's kind of old. It's old because it's been sitting in my drawer. But it's new for me because I only used it once before. This is kind of heavy, don't you think? To be honest, my right side looks nicer than the left side. The left side's a little bit extra, you know what I mean? Like extra, ooh, I don't know how to explain it. Like an extra flushed look. So I'm trying to figure out how I could tone it down. Where's the blender? I'm trying to tone it down. Somehow. Yeah, this bedroom lighting is horrible. It's horrible. Is this any better? No. Oh, that's a little better. I don't know. I think it still looks horrible. Anything can happen. Good still. So this is Glossier, or some people might call it Glossier. Freaking hurts. They're boy brow in shade black. Oh. Once you go black, you never go back. I have a mirror above my phone. I need a Q-tip to clean this up. Might try to fill in my brows. The brows. 4 minutes. 24 months. It's from About Face. I don't know if it's a good idea to wear this right now because I have like this situation around my mouth, but it's a matte lip liner from About Face Beauty, and my mouth is burning right now. I don't know if that was a good idea, and it's probably not. In shade New Love. Oh, there it is. I got this lip paint. Matte also. Paint It lip color. I don't see the time frame. I know the last time I used it, I wasn't crazy about it. What's it called? Unforgettable Season. Paint It lip color matte. I see a lip paint and I want to paint it matte. It smells like mint, kind of. They don't really match for real, but I thought they were similar enough that I could put them together. And it's burning. And I don't know if it's because of my skin problem or this, because it's been a while since I've tried this. This lighting is awful. Awful. To be honest, my natural face doesn't look too much better than this right now. Here's. When did I get this? 2 years ago. How long have we been here? 21. Oh, it'll be 2 years in August. That's good stuff. The one thing I don't like about Fix Plus is when you use it, it's like you're giving yourself a shower, and I just took one, and I don't really want to take a second shower in the same day right now, but we'll do it. It's Fix Plus by Mac Prep. See, I can't read my glasses up. Mac Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Fix Plus. Ready? Okay. We're gonna fix it and we're gonna plus it. I just lost my video. I mean, it's still on my phone. I accidentally closed out of it. Don't worry, I'm not naked. I am underneath my towel, but I'm not naked. I gotta leave and get dressed. Well, first I gotta get dressed, then I gotta leave. Wrong order. That was the wrong order. Completely wrong order. Oh, my towel's about to fall. All right, I'm almost ready to get dressed to go hang out with my sis. Oh, I forgot highlighter. My sis and her friends for Hibachi. This is About Face too. Light Lock Stick and Greek Tragedy. I'm just gonna stick it right on my face. Why not? Finger, because it's a mess already. Why not? To be honest, this bronzer, I don't know how well it's gonna hold. The Beauty Blender one I got from Influencer for my for testing purposes and whatever. On my nose, it sits pretty well. You can't tell because the lighting in here is really horrible. But it sits really nicely compared to other ones I've tried. But yeah, that's that. So this is, yeah, that's what it is. It's called, yeah, I'm kidding. It's About Face Beauty highlighter, light lock stick, and shade Greek Tragedy. And I haven't had this for a year yet, I don't think. So it's probably fine. But I will see you all later. If you all liked this video, please give it a thumb up. If you didn't like it, still give it a thumb up. And I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Lulu's World, and stay tuned for a lot more videos because there's a lot more coming your way on YouTube. Oh my god, this lighting in here is awful. Awful waffles. Bye.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm ready.
1, 2, 3, go! Ready! Okay, go! Okay, go! TV boy on no fire? Oh, fireman! She's on fire. You gotta put her out. Oh, yeah. Very good.
Is that butter? Yeah, that's butter. Yeah. Can't believe it's not butter.
Wait, how much?